In last period, we study about practice set 2.2 from question 1 to question 3. In question 3, we represent the numbers root 5 and root 10 on a number lines. Means these irrational numbers are shown on number lines. This is under root 5 and this is under root 10. Therefore, we draw there is under root 10 and under root 5 on number lines. These under root 5 and under root 2 are the irrational number. In this period, we study and solve the example in question number 4 in practice set 2.3. And next point is solved. But this question number 4 is remaining. In this question 4, there is write any 3 rational numbers between two numbers given below, 0.3 and minus 0.5. This is first example. Means write any 3 irrational number. Write any 3 rational numbers between two numbers given below. First is 0.3 and minus 0.5. We know 0.3 is written as 0.30 and minus 0.5 is written as minus 0.50. Therefore, we can write the numbers between 0.30 to minus 0.50 are 0.31, 0.32, 0.33, etc. to minus 0.49. These numbers are in between these two rational numbers. These numbers are between 0.3 to minus 0.5 are rational number. Are rational numbers. Means in this example you write 0.3 as 0.30 and minus 0.5 is written as minus 0.50. Therefore, we can write any numbers in between 0.30 to minus 0.50 or minus 0.49. These numbers start from 0.31, 0.32, 0.33, 0.34, and we can also write minus 0.47, minus 0.48, minus 0.49. Means these numbers is also written as first you write or minus 0.49, minus 0.48, minus 0.47, etc. to 0.33, 0.32, 0.31. Means any numbers are present in between 0.3 to minus 0.5. Another example is given. Second example. In this second example, The numbers is minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. We know minus 2.3 is equal to minus 2.300 and minus 2.33 is written as minus 2.330. Therefore, rational number between minus 2.300 to minus 2.330 are minus 2.301, minus 2.302, minus 2.303 to minus 2.329 are these numbers are a rational number between minus 2.3 to minus 2.33. Third example is 5.2 and 5.3. 5.2 and 5.3. We know 5.2 is equal to 5.20 and 5.3 is equal to 5.30. Therefore, rational number between 5.20 to 5.30 are 5.21, 5.22, 5.23 to 5.29. These rational numbers are between 5.20 to 5.30. Therefore, 5.21, 5.22, 5.23 to 5.29, these numbers are a rational number. These numbers are a rational numbers between 5.2 to 5.3. Fourth example is minus 4.5 2 and minus 4.6. We know minus 4.5 is equal to minus 4.50 and minus 4.6 is equal to minus 4.60. Therefore, the numbers are rational numbers, are rational numbers between minus 4.50 to minus 4.60 are minus 4.51, minus 4.52, minus 4.53 to minus 4.50. These numbers are rational numbers between minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. This is practice set 2.2. Then we study about root of positive rational numbers. We know x square is 2, therefore x is equal to under root 2, and 2 and under root 2 and minus under root 2 are irrational numbers. Therefore we know for next point is root of positive rational number. Root of positive rational number. We know x square is equal to 2, therefore under root x, or taking square x is equal to under root 2 or minus under root 2. Therefore we know under root 2 and minus under root 2 are irrational numbers. Therefore in surd there is 7, third roots of 7, fourth roots of 8 are irrational numbers. N is a positive integer and x raised to n is equal to a, then x is the root of a. We know various numbers or the roots are rational or irrationals. Means in this point we study about surd. In surd is sign of surd is surd. Sign of surd is, this sign is called as surd. मराठीमध्ये या चिन्हाला कर्णी चिन्ह असं म्हणतात. We know 5 is a rational number, but under root 5 is a not rational number. Square root or cube root of any real number is either rational or irrational. Therefore nth root of any numbers either rational or irrational. Therefore if n is the integer greater than 1 and if a is a positive real number and the nth root of a is x, then this is written as x raised to n is equal to a, or nth root of a is x. In this sign a is a positive rational number and nth is root of x, and if x is an irrational number then x is called as surd. This surd is written as under root a roots is nth. Therefore this sign or symbol is called as a radical sign. This symbol is called as radical sign, and n is called as order of surd. This n is called as order of surd. This n is called as order of surd, and a is called as radicand. And a is called as a radicand. Means in this sign we study about irrational numbers. All irrational numbers, for example, under root a whose order is n. In this sign, n is called as order of surd, and a is called as a radicand. And all this number a whose order is a is a radicand and n is order of surd, this total number is irrational number. Means in surd, if we write a, order of this surd is n, then this all number is irrational number. A is a rational number, or a is a positive real number. And nth root of x is written as x is equal to a in radicand and n is order of surd. Therefore, this is surd, but surd is an irrational roots. In next period, we study about simplest form of surd, similar or like surd, comparison of surd, and some examples are depend upon surd. In this example, operations are on like surds. In these operations, there are mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplications, and division can be done on like surd. Therefore, we can be study about rationalizations of surd is last point in this real number. There is practice set 2.3 is depend upon surd. We can also solve the example in practice set 2.3 in next period. Thank you.